Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make an Asian-inspired dish with smoked tofu and mixed mushrooms. The smoky flavor of the tofu combines perfectly with the ginger and garlic-based sauce, and so this is a delicious and easy to make dish if you're looking for a great tofu or mushroom recipe. Here I'm going to use white, chestnut and shiitake mushrooms. After carefully washing and trimming off the roots and coarse dark green of the tops, cut the leek into slices. Also, finely slice 1 or 2 garlic cloves. After washing or rinsing the mushrooms, slice them into thick pieces. And finally, chop a handful of parsley leaves. For the broth, peel and grate a small piece of ginger and 2 garlic cloves. Then, dissolve the vegetable stock cube in 300 ml of boiling water. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon of ginger, garlic, half teaspoon of chili flakes, or a little less if you prefer, and 1 tablespoon of cornflour. Mix everything well and set aside. Next, remove the tofu from the packaging and drain any excess moisture. Some tofu brands don't require pressing, so in that case, just pat dry the tofu block with some kitchen papers and cut it into 1 cm slices. In a medium fry pan, spray some vegetable oil to cover the base, and over a medium-high heat, fry the tofu slices for about 3 minutes on each side, or until golden brown on both sides. Remove from the heat into a plate and set aside. Now, heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a non-stick medium wok or frying pan, and over a high heat stir fry the garlic, leek and mushrooms for about 3 minutes, tossing occasionally with a wooden spoon. Then, add the broth, bring to a bubble and cook for a couple of minutes until the sauce has thickened. Note the consistency of the sauce. If you think it's too thin, mix 1 teaspoon of cornflour and a small amount of cold water in a small bowl and add to the sauce. On the other hand, if the sauce is too thick, just add a bit of water. Finally, add the tofu to the wok or pan and over a low-medium heat, cook for a further 2 or 3 minutes. Taste and, if necessary, adjust any seasoning. Stir in the chopped parsley and remove from the heat. This dish is best served immediately and is great with aromatic Basmati rice. You can find the full recipe below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more easy and tasty vegan and vegetarian recipes.